Hello there, today I'll be talking about mobile game analytics. If you ever wondered how to make informed marketing decisions and boost your game success, you're at the right place. Now you might be asking, what are the mobile game analytics? Well, think of them as your game vital signs. They give you valuable insights of how your game is performing and how they are interacting with your game. Understanding mobile game analytics in today's hectic mobile gaming world is crucially important. By tracking key metrics and interpreting data, you can identify areas for improvement, optimize your marketing efforts, and ultimately maximize your game potential. So what are some key metrics that you should be tracking? First up, retention metrics. By following this KPI, you will know how many players stick around and play your game over time. A high retention rate indicates that your game is engaging and keep players coming back for more. So what are good retention numbers? Well, it depends on multiple factors. Let's say platform, iOS, Android, game genre, source which they are coming from. But let's say you should be aiming to have at least 25 to 30% retention rate at day 1 and around 10 to 15% around day 7. More about retention rates I'll be covering in the separate video. Of course, if you are interested to hear how you can improve that segment, let me know in the comments below. But now let's move to the next metrics, which are user acquisition metrics. By following UA metrics, you will know how many players are discovering and downloading your game. Additionally, you will understand where players are coming from. Are they discovering your game organic way, or did they came through some referrals or some media sources and networks, or even influencer promotions that can help you grow your game? By understanding where your players coming from, is that organic way like just from the store, or is some paid way through some user acquisition activities, you will know where to focus your marketing efforts to drive better quality users into your game. So which metrics you should be following when we talk about user acquisition metrics? First metric is CPI. By following this metric, you will know how much actually you are paying for one user in certain country or certain platform. This metric is crucial and it will help you evaluate the performance of different marketing channels that drive installs to your game. Second metric is install rate or IPM. I prefer to watch the IPM, and what IPM means. IPM means is how many installs are generated on 1000 impressions. Let's say you're converting 4 users on 1000 impressions, so that number is somewhere at the beginning. I would say the good IPMs can go up to 20 and the low IPMs can go down to even 1.2 or something. If you follow this metric, you will know how your ad is performing or how the network is performing, so it will be good for you to understand how much you are getting for every 1 mile or 1000 impressions. Third metric is click-through rate. That metric can show you how much is the percentage of the users who watched the ad, clicked on the ad. That doesn't mean that they installed the app, which is important to know. Fourth metric, I'm coming back to previous advice, is user retention rates. They can be different than organic ones, so it's crucial to understand how they are different and where you should be investing your time, effort, and at the end money. Fifth metric is ARPU, average revenue per user, how they are different from the organic ones or how they are different from the, let's say you want to compare Facebook, Google versus organic users. You will see, for example, that Facebook users are giving you more quality users with average ARPU of 20 cents, while organic users that came organically on the store can generate maybe even lower or sometimes even higher. It's good for you to understand the quality of those users and where they are coming from. And metric number 6 is conversion rate metrics. This means how much of the users converted and do some in-app action. That can be, they watched the rewarded video, they buy some, pack, or they make some in-app purchase in your game. So this is this type of the metric that you can track and see the difference of the quality of the users within your game. There are even more than 50 additional metrics that you can follow up, but I'll cover them more into my blog on my website that will be coming soon. And I forgot to say about most important user acquisition metric, which is actually ROAS, how much you're getting revenue on money spent for your marketing activities. That's crucially especially for the smaller studios. You want to ensure that your campaigns are profitable and you are getting your money back. If you want me to help you to have higher profitable user acquisition campaigns for your game, don't hesitate to reach me here on LinkedIn or even on my Discord channel. Now you might be wondering, how do you track all of these metrics? Luckily, there are plenty of free analytic tools that you can use to gather and analyze the data. I'll mention some of them. First of all, Google Analytics for Firebase. There is also Game Analytics, and there is also Flurry Analytics and Unity Analytics. All of them cover some different metrics that you can follow up. They are not so advanced as some, maybe, I don't know, paid solutions, but it will be more than enough if you are just starting out. When your game hits some revenue goals, let's say $5 to $10 per month, then you should consider partnering with some MMPs or mobile measurement partners like AppsFlyer, Adjust or Singular to have more proficient data in the intuitive and native way. It's much more easier to analyze them rather than using some free tools that I mentioned before. And if you are in that stage, please reach me out. I will be more than happy to connect you with some people that can introduce you those tools to a bit more detailed level. And that would be it for this video. I can talk more about metrics, but I'll do it in additional videos. I think the most important stuff is for you to understand the importance of mobile game analytics, because it's hugely important to understand how your game behaves and what are crucial metrics that can show you how your game performs. By following these metrics, you will be able to make some good decision about progress for your game, future scaling, etc. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. And once again, I opened my free Discord channel. The link will be in the description below if you want to join and ask any question which are related to mobile game marketing. And until next video, happy analyzing and see you.